Hello, Isabella here to help you let go of some limiting beliefs so you can move on to become successful in whatever you want. First of all, there is nothing wrong with you. Your brain is working quite well. You have just been programming your mind all these years to think a certain way, and now that way just does not serve you anymore. We are here to help you change that programming to one that fits your needs at the present time by revealing certain truths. So let's get started. Day 6. As you begin to grow, understand you will encounter what seems to be setbacks, like you're backtracking. This is when most people quit, but don't you quit. Some days will be hard, but also some days will be easier. You must be okay when times get hard so you can press on to finish. It will be so rewarding. When you have the setbacks, just remember it's your old programming trying to protect you and keep you in the old mental state, but you must press forward if you want the change and result. These setbacks you will encounter will give you a sense of fear. This is your subconscious mind's way of warning you when something doesn't match with the old programming. But understand when this happens, it just means you are on the verge of a breakthrough. You may experience fear, resistance, lack of motivation, guilt, or loss of enthusiasm, which can make you feel disempowered. It will try to scare you back into your old programming. If you want to change the programming and experience new results in your life, you must recognize that this is what your subconscious is programmed to do, and then push through it. To do this, you must stay as focused as possible on your present and your truth. You also must be able to see the difference between the lies your mind is telling you and your truths and the new results you are seeking. I will teach you the process to overcome these experiences when they come. But once you break through the first time, it becomes easier each time as you become closer to your new programming and your new results. Getting insight into how you experience the breakthrough of stumbling blocks will allow you to plan and know exactly what to expect when it comes up again. I tend to lose motivation about 3 weeks into trying to change a behavior, and I lose enthusiasm. Once I recognize this is happening, I quickly refocus on what the change is that I wanted and remember my truths. I recognize that this is my subconscious mind trying to align me with my old programming, and I push those feelings aside. Knowing my new breakthrough is just around the corner, I get excited again about getting closer to my new results. This is easier said than done, but very possible for you as well through mental training. By staying focused and committed, you will soon see change taking place in your life in a profound way. You may become frustrated, and that's okay. Just bring your mind back to the present by remembering that you can't overcome anything that comes your way in life, and even if it's difficult. And most important, be patient with yourself. Let's recap. In the first video, you have learned that you must weed the garden of your mind before you can plant new seeds, and that changing any old behavior to the new one that you want takes a process, and that the old programming is not wrong, it just doesn't serve you anymore. In the second video, you learned that in order to make any change, you must follow 4 rules. Be good to yourself and never beat yourself up for shortcomings. 2, let go of your old story. 3, do the work every day. And 4, have an open mind. In the third video, you learned how the impact of your words to yourself can be damaging, and letting go of the idea that you have to always be in control. You are human, you make mistakes. These are meant to learn from, not to define who you are. In the fourth video, you learned the model of power and how staying focused on the present puts you in your personal power and gives you peace and progress instead of focusing on the past or present states. You also learned the first truth, which is you can get through anything that comes your way, just as you always have. In the fifth video, you learned about setting growth goals. Goals that don't focus on the results, but rather focuses on the steps to change into the new version of yourself to create new results in your life. If you want something different, you must become the something different. And in this video, you learned that there will be setbacks, and to deal with them, you must remember your truths and recognize that you are closer to a breakthrough than you realize, and that this is just your subconscious mind trying to bring you back to your old programming. You have come a long way already. There is more ahead. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out my side hustle, please click the link below. Also, please like and subscribe to stay informed when I upload another video. Again, thank you for watching and God bless.